This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Traci Greene. 3-bedroom/2-bath fully remodeled one-level home in Sneedville with 2 additional lots on both sides with carport and detached garage/workshop. Each lot is deeded separately and formerly had single wides with power and hookups on sewer. This 1,248 square foot home has beautiful hardwoods, new vanities and walk-in showers, 36 doors, security cameras convey. Additional den area with covered porch with wooden beams to enjoy. Wonderful starter home or investor for rentals or multiple families and add a mobile home. Floodplain shown on tax record and may require insurance. For more information, review the details below or contact Traci Greene at 865-584-4000.